So this is a little video I'm going to do just on how to fit the heated seat pads to the 718 fixed bucket seats. I'm not sure if it's the same with the folding ones. I'm presuming it will be. I think they'll all be the same. Basically, first job to remove the seat pads off the original seats. They just pull off the on Velcro, dead easy. Pop them off. You'll see when you turn the reverse side round, you'll see they just all held on with Velcro from the back. Can't really go wrong. That's the base one that passes through the slit where I'm presuming where the harness would have originally gone. One thing I would say, when you're removing these, just be mindful that they held on with the Velcro. The other side of the Velcro is actually on the foam, and if you just pull it, you'll find it'll pull that away. So just pop a finger on there and then just ease it off gently. The passenger side one has a pad in, so there'll be a wire to remove for that one. I'm presuming it's just to let you know that someone sat in the seat. Again, it just pops out. Dead easy to do. The heated pads, they just held on with, basically it's just like an adhesive strip. So I'll just remove the adhesive strip, pop it on, pop it into the foils, dead straightforward. Wire connects up, obviously it goes that way, so your wire goes on the bottom. The base one, what I've noticed is you have to obviously get that through to tension the bottom of the seat, otherwise it goes really saggy. So all I've done, I've just marked where it goes and I've just popped a slit, and I've actually cut, you can see there, I've actually cut through some of I call it like an element. But the whole seat still works. It works fine. You get heat everywhere. So that was my solution to doing it. I'm not sure whether there's a better way, but that's the way I've done it. The seat still gets hot. Same thing when you're putting your body together. Seat covers just slide straight over the top. I've actually fitted some different seat covers to my car, but it's the same whether you use the normal ones. That bit was really straightforward. Regarding the wiring for the heated seats, all I've done with mine is pop it under the seat. There's a trim panel down this side here. It literally just clips off. There's a few clips, dead easy to do. There's a fuse box cover here. Slide it towards the back of the car, and that just pops out. At the very front, there's a 10mm nut that actually secures this fuse, like the fuse box, into place. With that out, you can then get up the back of it, because you've got two wires to connect. Your ground wire, your black one, I'm going to use where the 10mm comes off. That's actually a grounding point, so I'm going to clean that up, and that's where I'm going to use as my earth. The live, I'm going to pop into the back of the fuse box itself. If you look in there, you'll see there is spares. So there'll be a live to the bottom, and all you need to do is pop a live pop your red wire to the top. Now I've managed to get it's on there, the correct, see it there, the reverse side of that. So I'll pop that basically into the back, and I'll join that to that red, and that'll get me my live, and that'll get my neutral, which goes obviously to the heated seats, into the switch gear I have mounted. I'm sure you can see that. I've just mounted that on a little bracket there, and that powers that up. Obviously when you get your seat pads, you just connect to them two wires there, dead straightforward. So I've already done one side. This is the one that I've done, and that's with it fitted. Pop the key in, and that just basically powers up. So you've got your live green. It's like two-stage heat. So I've just mounted it off that lower bracket. There's maybe a better way of doing it, but I think that works fine. It's out the way, it's not intrusive, so that's how I've done it. I think that's pretty much it. If you ever want to remove them, it'll be dead easy to remove, and like I say, I've replaced the covers. The original covers could easily go back on, but it will be the same job whether you were doing either. So yeah, there you go.